and sage behind politeness, domestic harmony for shame, lost in the mirage of a marriage, outside a world she'll never know. And as I see through the view, I'm falling straight into 1,000 broken mirrors I can't hide. And outside the bright lights can't hide the pain inside. And I've broken 1,000 mirrors. Now it's time. Now it's time. Now it's loving her children with a passion, protecting them at any cost, taking the only course of action. There's no more bridges left to cross. Who are the ones who are the guilty? Who are the ones who wear the scars? We must not leave our sisters bleeding.